We'll guide you through how to use audio to text in Telegram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to convert audio into written text without installing extra software. Many users rely on Telegram Web and are not familiar with bots like 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀. Clear steps help beginners quickly transcribe voice recordings for school, work, or content creation purposes. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads. Once the browser is ready, click Search under Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type web.telegram.org into the address bar carefully and press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram webpage. When the website loads, click Login by phone number to access your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you select the correct country code before typing your number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you'll be automatically logged into your Telegram account. Once you're logged in successfully, click Search at the top of the Telegram web interface to find a specific bot. Then type Transcribe Me in the search field and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears, click on the contact to open the bot conversation. After the chat window opens, click Start at the bottom to activate the bot and enable its features. Next, click the clamp icon in the bottom right corner of the chat box to open the attachment options. Then, click Document to choose a file from your computer. Select the audio you want to convert to text. Then click Open to attach it to the chat. After the audio file is attached, click Send to send the file to the bot. The audio feature in the contact bot will start converting the audio to text automatically. Wait patiently while the bot processes the file, as the conversion time may depend on the length of the audio. Once finished, the audio will automatically be converted to text, and the transcribed text will appear in the chat.